Hey guys, what's going on? Today, I'll walk you through the installation process of Tensorflow on Raspberry Pi. Before getting started, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates from us. Choose a browser of your choice and paste the following link. The link is available in the description below. Tensorflow can be installed from source, but it will take a couple of hours. Thanks to this repository, the entire installation can be completed in few minutes. If you're using Raspberry Pi 0 or 1, and depending on the Python version, choose either of these files. If you're using Python 3.5, use the first link, or if you're using Python 3.7, use this file. For the demonstration of this video, I'll be using Raspberry Pi 3 on Python 3.7. Hence, we will be using this particular file. Go below, find the file of your requirement, right-click on it and click on Copy Link Address. If you are using the GUI version of the Raspberry Pi, then copy the link from the browser built into the Raspbian operating system. In this video, I will be using Putty to connect to my Raspberry Pi via SSH. Fill in the IP address of the Raspberry Pi and click on Open. Log in with the username of Raspberry Pi and its password. As you can see, I have logged in into my Raspberry Pi via SSH and I'm good to go. If you are using the GUI version of your Raspberry Pi, then please open your terminal. First, let us install the virtual environment. The command for installing virtual environment is pip3 install virtual environment. If you are using Python 2.7, it will not be supported with this current version of Tensorflow. As you can see, I have already installed my virtual environment and hence I am good to go. It will take a couple of minutes if you are installing the virtual environment for the first time. After installing virtual VNV, let us create a virtual environment. So the command for virtual environment is virtual env followed by the environment name. So I'll be giving here my env space -p and then the Python version, Python 3. So here you can see that a virtual environment has been created, and for some systems it might take some longer, or for some system it can be faster. So there are multiple ways to create virtual environment. So feel free to choose your method of creating virtual environment. After creating virtual environment, let us activate it. The code for activating virtual environment is source, then your virtual environment name, /bin/activate. As you can see, the virtual environment with my name has been activated. After that is done, now let us install the Tensorflow. The command to install Tensorflow is pip3 install, then paste the link that was copied from the GitHub repository and press enter. This can take up to 10 minutes to install. As you can see, the Tensorflow was successfully installed onto my Raspberry Pi. Now let us test it. Now let us import the Tensorflow. As you can see, the import was successful. Now let us check the version of the Tensorflow. As you can see, the latest version as of now has been installed, that is 2.3.0. If you enjoyed the video, please click on like, share, and then comment if you have any doubts. Thank you.